help with those big...
No, no, no! My beautiful kite! It's ruined. I ruined it before I could even fly it properly.
Oh, Pip, I am so sorry. That is a terrible rip. It looks completely broken.
Wait a minute. Feeling sorry isn't gonna fix this kite. We can fix this together. What do you say?
Hold it steady, Bayo. Just a little more glue.
I've got it, Pip. Steady as a rock. You're doing great.
Look at it go! It's flying! It's actually flying!
Higher than ever, Pip. We did it!
Thanks, Bayo. You're the best friend ever. You didn't just feel bad for me. You helped me
That's
rebuild.
what friends are for, Pip. Together, we can fix anything.
Pip had the most magnificent lunch in the entire meadow. A giant, multi-decker clover and berry sandwich. It was sweet, sticky, and absolutely perfect. She couldn't wait to take her very first bite. But just as she opened her beak, she noticed she wasn't the only one under the shade of the old oak tree. Her friend Bram was sitting nearby, looking very quiet, very empty-handed, and very left out.
Bram was far too shy to ask for a bite, but his tummy was doing all the talking. Rumble, growl, oh dear.
Pip looked at her giant sandwich. Then she looked at Bram. She didn't wait for him to ask.
With a happy little chirp, she split her magnificent sandwich clean in two. Here, Bram! The clover is extra sweet today. Let's eat together.
She slid the biggest half, sharing her joy without a second thought.
Because noticing when a friend is left out and sharing before they even have to ask is the sweetest way to share of all.
Swoosh! Super rocket blasting past the stars. Zoom! Watch out, space monsters!
Oh dear, where could they have gone? I can't read bedtime stories without them. Not behind the teapots, not in the sugar bowl. Where did I put them? Not in the cabinets either. I suppose we'll have to skip the story tonight, Koda. I just can't find them anywhere.
Skip the story? But Mama looks really tired. She needs help. Wait a minute. Mama, don't move. I see them. Your super eyes are wearing a hat, Mama. Look up.
What? Oh! Oh, my silly head. Thank you, my thoughtful little helper. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Super Rocket Helper to the rescue! Now, read the story, Mama. Whee! This is the best day ever! Ah, so cozy. I could stay on this mossy swing forever and ever. Whew, so heavy. Just a little further. Just a little further. Oh! That's Pip. That's Pip. He looks so tired. And that basket is huge. My wings are so sore, and there's nowhere soft to sit and rest. I I just got the perfect spot. If I get up, I might not get it back. But Pip looks so sad. Hey, Pip! Over here! You look exhausted, Pip. Come sit on my mossy swing. It's the soft in the whole garden. Really, Lulu? But you were having so much fun! Thank you, Lou. This is the coziest spot ever! You're so welcome, Pip. Seeing you happy makes this spot feel even cozier.